Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning. Good to see you.
Good to see you too as well. Today we have a question from a viewer. We're going to pull it up. I was sued after a car wreck, Gary. A lawyer from my insurance company is representing me. I have to do a deposition soon. What is a deposition and what do I need to do to get ready?
Well, it brings up two good points. We hear about depositions. I think we're going to see depositions in our future of some note. And, they're sworn statements given under oath in front of a court reporter. So someone's taking it down. We've been doing them by Zoom recently during the pandemic issues with the COVID stuff, but I like them in person personally. There's just more to be done that way. But right now we've got lawyers sitting in Atlanta, a witness in who knows where, and it's really disruptive but it's a sworn statement nonetheless. And it's really to determine a couple of things if you're the defendant, the person that's been sued. One, who you are, who your people might be that might be conflicted in a jury. And then number two, what your position is, whether you take responsibility for causing the wreck or not, or if you have somebody else you think's responsible, those kind of issues, just what happened, what you heard, what you saw. So it shouldn't be something to be afraid of. It shouldn't be, but it does take preparation. And that's the second point. When you don't know what the deposition is, I don't know that your lawyer's doing what they should be doing, because what happens is insurance companies hire lawyers from all over, some here in Columbus, and some in Phoenix City, but generally they're from out of town. They don't ever meet you. I can't tell you how many times we've had a deposition start here where the lawyer meets his client for the first time, or she meets her client for the first time, and wants a few minutes to get ready. So, frankly, I have a little issue with that, but it's not something to be afraid of. We work hard to, make sure everybody's comfortable, and it's not a time to, nobody's getting in a fist fight or anything. So
yeah, right.
It should be fairly civil. That's what we do,
Yes, good to know. And thank you for clearing that up. That is good to know. Gary, you wanted to say a few words too as well before we close out today.
I do. I think we're going through a tremendously trying, stressful time as a country, and the rule of law is really why us lawyers become lawyers. I mean, we are so steeped in it and just respected so much, and I hope that we can find a way back to that, and I hope we get through this troubling next short time without any more crisis. It broke my heart last Wednesday to see what happened, and I really, anyway, praying for our country as we approach these days.
Thank you very, very much, Gary. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.